Beep beep, what is up ninjas? My name is Samuel and today we're going to be making Dirty Bird style vocals, tech house vocals you could say as well, using a program called Vocaloid 5 made by Yamaha, who as you guys know makes some really dope stuff for musicians. So if you're like me, you can't sing bro, you can't sing. I love you. Bullshit, drug addicted mother. Even if you just say the simplest things like, put your hands up, it never comes out like you want it to, so we can use stuff like this to help us out. Now we are gonna have to put in a little bit of effort because the program has a lot of cool things that we can do. We can make the guy have an accent, we can do a lot of cool things as you're gonna see. So guys, in this video we are gonna be using that. I'm also gonna be trying to make a beat to that vocal using the brand new Dirty Chicken sound set that we released over at, believe it's in this site or this site, evilsounds.com, which is the ultimate sound bank for silent one. For those of you guys making tech house, making Dirty Bird style, it ain't Bristol style type of music. Make sure to check it out if you want to support the channel. And with that being said, let's get someone to sing.
Alright guys, so here we are inside of Ableton, which then, you know, we have Vocaloid inside. Now Vocaloid is a DAW, I think, and it looks like one. You know, when you open it up, it's going to look something like this. And here's where our section's going to be at, guys. Now by default, it's set to 120. Okay, and I'm sure if you open it up in Ableton.124, it will be set at 124. So we're going to leave it at 120 for now, and then we're going to increase it after we record the vocal. Now, you don't have to record it, but I like to record it. It's a lot cleaner for me, so I don't have to have two DAWs open at once. Okay, so from here, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be grabbing the pencil tool, and I want this guy to go, I want some jacking beats. So I'm going to play it so that I can see where it needs to land. Jacking beats. I want some jacking beats. Okay, so you can kind of get an idea where it needs to land. Okay, now we can choose different voices. Right now they only have 4, and you can see we have Amy, we have Chris, we have Kaori, and we have Ken. Now Chris looks like he got Thanos. So someone snapped a thumb, and you know they had the infinity rings, and Chris is going bye-bye. So I'm gonna use him before he leaves us. But I already know what I want here, guys. And again, I'm doing a rewire from Vocaloid or Ableton to Vocaloid 5, so that way I can insert the audio from Vocaloid 5 into Ableton. Now I'm gonna pitch this down an octave because I don't like it this high. There we go. There we go. I want, and then we're gonna put this. I want some, let's see how long this is gonna last. So again, the length of it matters as well. Okay, let's see if we can kind of fine tune this a bit more here. We're gonna zoom in on that. I want some jacking beats, G. I like that. I want some, you know, it was by accident, but I like that. I think we're gonna jack king beats. And maybe like that. So beats! So let's see how that sounds like. Alright, cool. So that's the vocal we there. So I wanted to like now the different style that we're gonna have this in, because right now you can tell it sounds kind of robotic. So I can easily grab this guy, click on it, and then from here I can use the controls here to really get like different vibes on it. So the I part, I just want them to have like this accent, and you're gonna have different tools here that you can use. So first, accent 2 I think is the one I want, and we're gonna be doing this for most of these guys here. Get rid of that. I'm just gonna be putting the same accent. Again, a lot of the Dirty Bird vocals are just gonna be like the same. I want some jacking beats, like all the way through. So let's see how that sounds like. There we go. Now if I pitch that up, we can get it to go. I want some jacking beats. So you can kind of see. I want some jacking beats. That sounds fucking dope. So you can change a lot of things on it, and again, you know, there's a lot more we can do with the release as well. Like it could be growly and so I want some jacking beats. All right, so let's undo what I just did there. Holy shit! There we go. I want some. We can do different tones on the jacking beat. I want some. We can increase the harder on. I want some jacking beats. All right, so we're gonna leave it there, but there's a lot that you can do, guys, and I recommend, if you're into something like this, check it out. All right, so once we have that, I like to record it out, which is what I'm gonna do. I want some jacking beats. I want some. All right, cool. And now I don't need Vocaloid. Peace out, boy. Thank you, Yamaha.
I want some jacking beats. I want some.
Let's see if it works.
I want some.
All right, cool. So we got that. Now, from here, you can do a lot like pitch down the vocal to -12. But the thing is, you got the vocal that you wanted.
I want some jacking beats. 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 I want some jacking beats.
All right, cool. And then from there, I'm gonna add maybe like a vocal synth 2 from again, Isotope. So these are all plugins we can use to really emphasize the vocal. And I'm gonna use this because I like the vibe of this a little bit better. I'm gonna get rid of vocoder, go to poly.
I want some jacking beats. I want some jacking beats. I want some jacking beats.
I'm gonna add a chorus.
I want some jacking beats.
Cool. Maybe a little bit of a shred.
I want some jacking beats. I want some jacking beats.
There we go, baby. What's up? All right, and now let's use the Dirty Bird Silent 1 sound set, which again you guys can support, or Dirty Chicken over at evilsounds.com, guys. If you guys are into these type of sounds, which are these type of like sounds, by all means. All right, so let's see if we can get something here with an 808. We're gonna be using that here for this little beat. I'm gonna get one of the bass midis that goes with it and see if we can get something.
I want some jacking beats.
Let's see if we got like a more.
I want some jacking beats.
And we're gonna go up to A on this guy. That's the one I
want some jacking beats.
Make sure it's mono legato. Hell yeah, it is.
I want some jacking beats.
CLA vocals that, guys. Come on, it's that easy. It's that easy. You don't need splice. You don't need vocal samples no more. I'm just kidding though, but you get the idea there. You know, you do have to have an idea of what you want the lady to say, on what you want the vocal to say.
I want some jacking beats.
And then just loop it, guys. Come on.
I want some jacking beats.
It's that simple, guys. Dirty Bird sound, or Dirty Chicken sound set inspired by It Ain't Bristol and Dirty Bird. Vocaloid 5, perfect team if you want to get this kind. It's so simple. And then from there, you just do your own little swags, guys. And you can, again, tell it to say anything. I don't know if you can do cussing or certain words, but I'm sure there's a way to do it. But check it out, guys. You know, I got it for free. Again, like I said, I have to say that for you guys, so you guys know I just didn't buy it. I didn't even know about it like that. I remember seeing it and I was like, it's like very cartoony, very Japanese, like chikamona akamawachi kind of stuff. But in all honesty, you can get a lot of cool vocals. And with that being said, and just that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, if you want to support the channel, you can go over to evilsounds.com. And then if you want to support the Vocaloid 5, again, Yamaha made it. I ain't getting paid for this video. No referral links for me. Then you guys can go ahead and just Google Vocaloid 5 and it should pop up. But you guys take care and you guys have a good one.